bridge to open. The boat's coming through. Stay here 10 minutes waiting for this. Good morning from a rather drizzly mizzly Whitby this morning, and it's Tuesday and it's 1 week, just 1 week until I leave for Festival of Quilts. Well, I've had some deliveries today. The second one is downstairs and I need my trolley. So as well as my parcel, I got some mail and I couldn't work out what it was, and when I opened it, it's to this. It's to an event that I'm in Scarborough. It's a one day, it's a stitching fair. It's a new event, so I'm going to that. A nice traditional Christmas. Oh, it's got music on it. That must be why I've ordered it. Rather nice, isn't it, that? They're all the same. Yep. Right. Oh, next job. Let's go and collect our parcel. Oh. And take some rubbish out while we're at it, I think. I fetched my delivery, but you're going to have to wait to see, because now I'm heading off to the beauty salon to Studios Up and going to get my eyebrows done. See you in a bit. Well, I promised you a before and after. So they always take a day or two for the tint. So they should be ready for festival and looking not so bold, but I think they'll be great for that. Right, cup of tea and let's get this box unpacked. Let's see what's in the box. Advent calendars. Oh, this is nice. Just a sort of little checky thing. Oh, look at that. That one's lovely. It's like bows. Oh, this is a bit more Christmas countdown. Must be an Advent. Teddies. A Christmas stocking to go with the teddies. Whoa, that's another Christmas stocking. 2 of those. A bit more of the traditional stuff that I like. Robins. You upside down, that way round. This one is, oh, it's nice. That's nice. Like, and this one, oh, I think that's similar to what was on the in the fat quarter packs. They're rather nice. Well, hardly any vlogging done today because I've been grafting and trying to get everything done. Well, everything. A lot of things done. But it's now 6:30. I'm about to head for home. I'm in the progress of making some scrappy lobster kits. So I'm on the blue ones at the minute. So I'll do a few of those. And then the red ones, and then we'll head on to scrappy crab. Oh, I'll do a few more than this, but it's a start. Hopefully by tomorrow I won't have such fearsome eyebrows. So today, me and Dario are helping Fred move out of his student house. End of an era. Right, Dario. Finished yet. One of the joys of always having show stock in your van is that you can stop for an impromptu drink on the moors on the way home because I've got a chair. Oh, I've had such a lovely morning. I've been over playing string quartets with my friends over in Kirby Moorside, and I've come back and it's so boiling hot. It's about 4 o'clock now, and I've rocked up in my studio. I keep the blinds closed at the moment when I'm not in because it's so hot, but I reckon I can do a couple of hours before I head home, so let's get cracking. Got the lights on and we got the window open a little bit and the fan on, so it's not too bad. This is the worst time of day at the moment because my studio is south facing, so it's great up until about 2 and then it just boom. Actually, maybe I'll wedge the door open. I may get a bit of a draft. Topo the mouse. Come on, Topo. Oh, do your stuff. Oh, I used to have Topo the mouse when I was in Redcar. He's a silicone, but here, the door, the gap's too big, so Mr. Oakapple has glued some wood onto the underside of Topo so he fits. There we go, Topo. I mean, I could have got a new door wedge, but that's just too simple. Found another little parcel today. Let's see what's in this one. my goodness, I am so red. Oh, I'm so hot. Anyhow, oh, that fan's nice. I have made it to 7 o'clock and it's Friday night, so I'm going to go home. I've got a full weekend of getting ready. I think Fred's coming to help me tomorrow, hopefully. So I've got Saturday and Sunday and Monday. I've got to load up Dario Tuesday, and then we're heading down Tuesday, heading down to Birmingham. And in some point, I've got to take Dario to the car wash because he's so mucky. I can't turn up in him looking that grubby. Got to fit all that in. Right, but it's time to go home now. It's Saturday today, and me and Fred have come in. Fred's grafting away, updating the pattern stock, and he's now going to be in charge of ordering patterns. So let me know if there's something that we haven't got that you want and we can pass it on to Fred. I'm busy making up the scrappy lobster kits and then going to start packing and cutting ready for the festival today. So that's the goal. I think it's quite good when Fred's on the computer because it means I can't sit and scroll and distract myself for hours on end. So I'm going to get crack on with some fabric prep. After I've had a cup of tea, of course. It's 6 o'clock, time to go. Fred's already gone, but I've been working and made really good progress today, so I haven't done much vlogging. But I've got loads of my kits ready. Well, when I say ready, I've got all the printed things done for Scrappy Lobster, and this is Scrappy Crab's packaging. That's his red one, and his green one's in there somewhere. There he is. There's his green one. So I've been cutting the fabric for those, so I'll get those filled up tomorrow. Started boxing up the advent calendars and things. And yeah, there's a lot to do still. Oh. But I've really peaked for today. I need to go home. I think I've got Fred again tomorrow, which will be really good. So I'll head off and I hope Mr. Oakapple's got something for tea. He's been really good lately. He's been doing all the cooking, so hopefully he's done something nice. Right, see you tomorrow. You can tell it's Sunday. Not many cars in the car park today. Finally made it home. It's about 6 o'clock on Sunday night and some more googly eyes have arrived so I can get that finished tomorrow. And tomorrow is van loading up day, so try and get this vlog finished, and then it's only 2 more sleeps. Yes, Sunday, Monday, 2 more sleeps till I head down to Birmingham. Oh, I think I'll be so excited once it all actually starts. It's just this bit is such a slog. Phew, okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next vlog, or maybe at festival.